Hi, it's Courtney and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I created this anti-Valentine's Day look using the Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette. I just want to add that in 2 weeks time I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the upload. Firstly, you'll need a matte peach toned blush. I'm using Papaya Whip by MUA Cosmetics. Apply this to the apples of your cheeks, nose, chin and forehead to add warmth to your makeup base. You will then need a matte contour or bronzer. I'm using Doll Beauty Gimme Sun in the light shade. Apply this to the hollows of your cheeks and around your hairline and forehead to accentuate the shape of your face. Take some bronzer onto a small fluffy brush and contour the shape of your nose to create a more chiseled appearance. I also like to bring my nose contour below my brow bone to deepen my eye socket. Next, you'll need a concealer to use as an eyeshadow base. I'm using Essence Cosmetics Camouflage Concealer. Blend this evenly across your eyelid. Now onto the eyeshadows. Using the Book of Magic palette, take the shade Voodoo onto a fluffy brush and pack this into the outer corner of your lid and bring it out slightly into the outer V to create a V shape. Blend that out with a clean fluffy brush. Next, you'll need to take the shade Sorcery on a larger fluffy brush to blend over the edge of the shade Voodoo. Ensure you work on the outer V of the eyeshadow to begin to create a seamless blend towards your temple. To blend out the shade Sorcery into the brow bone, take the shade Enchanted on a small fluffy brush and run it over the edge of the look. And to set the brow bone area in place, use the shade Vanish. What you're now going to do is add depth back into the crease of the eye by taking the shade Voodoo on a larger fluffy brush. You then need to blend the edge of Voodoo up towards the brow bone using the shade Sorcery again. To neaten the outer edges of the look, go back in with the shade Enchanted. This will help shape the eyeshadow look. Now onto the cut crease. Take a small amount of concealer onto the back of your hand to warm the product and load your brush with the concealer. Apply a small amount of concealer to the inner half of your lash line and look upwards. This will create an outline of your lid to where you need to cut the crease shape. Stamp the concealer into the inner portion of the crease, then blend the edge with your finger. Take the shade Crystal onto a flat brush and apply this into the inner half of the cut crease. This shade has a beautiful purple and green duochrome shift. Then pick up the shade Charmed on another flat brush and apply this to the centre of your lid, overlapping the shades Voodoo and Crystal. Next, you need to blend the outer corner into the shades you just laid down, so take Voodoo onto a large fluffy brush and use circular motions to blend the shadows together. To start on the lower lid, take the shade Voodoo and apply this directly below the lash line on the outer half. And then blend that down and towards the inner corner using the shade Sorcery. To blend the shadows into the outer V, take the shade Enchanted and go over the edge of Sorcery. To finish the lower lid, you need to apply the shades Crystal and Charmed in the same position as the upper lid, using your finger to enhance the pigmentation. To highlight the brow bone, I am using the loose pigment by Doll Beauty called Poppin Candy. However, you can use any highlighter that has a pinky green shift. Now curl your lashes and apply a generous coating of mascara to your top and bottom lashes. The lashes that I'm going to be applying off camera are the Doll Beauty Liza lashes. To finish off the eyes, you now need to take the shade Moonlight and highlight the inner corner. I have completed one eye and I'm going to go off camera and come back when they are both done, and then we can move on to the next steps. Set your face using your chosen setting spray. I'm using Mario Badescu, and then I'm applying the pigment Poppin Candy as my highlighter. You can use any pinky green tone highlighter of your choice. To finish the look, you will need a pale pinky tone lipstick. I'm using Tea Rose Lip Crayon by e.l.f. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating this look. I think the eyeshadow palette performed beautifully. Like the video and comment down below if you thought so too. I just want to let you guys know that with Easter approaching, I'm going to be doing a variety of pastel toned Easter themed looks, so click the notification bell to ensure that you don't miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in my Valentine's Day makeup look. Bye!